Forget your New Year's resolution. The new year is fast approaching. Time flies so fast that it felt like we had the New Year's preparation just weeks ago. So I bet some of you right now are preparing their New Year's resolution. But nah, forget those. Because you know what's more important? The most important is for you to prepare yourself to step out of your comfort zone in the upcoming year. Let me now give you a little story. It's about a man. This man is wandering along a trail and comes across an egg. An egg from an eagle. He takes this egg and places it in a backyard hen's nest. The eagle soon hatches with the chicks and grows up with them. Now, the eagle has done what the chick has done his whole life. He'd dig around in the ground for worms and insects to eat. He'd cluck around and soar a few feet into the air like a chicken. That eagle's time had passed him by. He aged quickly. And then, one day, he noticed something above him. This monster moved through the sky, smoothly and gloriously. "What is it?" asked the eagle. "Oh, that's an eagle," one chicken said. "He is the king of all birds, the monarch of the skies. But we belong on the ground because we are nothing more than chickens." "Just don't mind him. You will never be an eagle," added another chicken. And that eagle lived and died as a chicken because that is what he believed himself to be. This new year, I urge you to take action and take flight. We both know you don't belong where you are right now. You don't fit in with some of the folks you're with right now. You have no right to be doing what you're doing right now. You were a chicken when you were born an eagle. So the issue now is how long will it take you to make a decision, to make the change and demonstrate guts and character. Character is defined as the capacity to carry through a decision long after the enthusiasm of the moment has faded. Let's say you wanted to do something, but you did it for 2 weeks and then stopped like you did last year and the year before that. You say you want to lose weight, get in shape, and start a company. Yet you just sit on the sofa for hours, getting closer to God, then turning around to party and get drunk. Continue to be someone other than whom you were designed to be? That actually makes you commit the greatest sin known to man. You see, the term sin is derived from the Greek word sign, used in archery. It refers to missing your target. The worst sin in life is missing your mark and failing to be who you were born to be a chicken rather than an eagle. Have you ever heard the legend of Icarus? You know, a lot of people remember Icarus as the guy with the wax wings. His father warned him that if he flew too high, the sun would burn his wings. What happened next? Icarus' arrogance prompted him to soar too high, and the sun melted his wings, causing him to perish. But it isn't the whole tale. Icarus' father had also warned him about flying too low. Don't fly too near the sea, or your weight may lead you to drop into the ocean, he warned. We all know not to be too arrogant, but how many of us are too humble, too meek, too fearful, too cautious? You know, the greatest tragedy in life is not that people who shoot too high and miss, but those that aim too low and hit. On Facebook, I notice a lot of people discussing and joking about someone who is in the friend zone. However, I don't see many jokes about the other zone, the comfort zone. There are no memes or jokes about it. Do you know why? It's because there are so many people in there. Let us push ourselves beyond our comfort zones in a new year. Let us be brave in transcending our inhibitions and fears. You know, Fortune favors the brave, and the wealth you seek will be found in the cave you dread. Forget about making a New Year's resolution. Let us make a new life resolution to be completely and genuinely ourselves. I'm not sure what dreams you have for yourself, but I bet there's someone in the hospital right now praying and begging God for the chance you have right now. Don't squander it. It's time to upgrade from mediocre to meteoric. If people restrict you to flap your wings, then leave them. Find someone who actually believes in your eagle abilities. Don't settle with folks who don't want you to thrive. It's time to stop being counted out and start being counted on. It is time to soar like an eagle. Or do you want to keep clucking with the chickens? The choice is yours. This new year, let's grow together. Thus, we would appreciate it if you help us grow our channel by subscribing to this channel. In this way, you get notified about our next videos. Thanks guys for watching, and see you again. Bye.